On live report right now, we're getting a reaction from the editor of the website newsmobile.in that released Dawood tape. Saurav Shukla tells Times Now that along with the US's support, India should put diplomatic pressure on Pakistan to bring back fugitive and underworld don Dawood Ibrahim.
It's very clear that the Pakistani government has been lying, as they have done it in the case of Osama bin Laden. Dawood Ibrahim is very much there, and if you hear the tapes, it's apparent that he's in Karachi. This has been recorded following a satellite surveillance done by a Western diplomatic agency. That's how we got it. And after that, we've been told that it has also been confirmed by various other agencies. We've also got a confirmation done on The Voice, and that's how before we could release the tape. But I can tell you one thing. It's time that Prime Minister Narendra Modi gets going on putting more pressure on Pakistan, because 350 people lost their lives in 1993 Mumbai bomb blast, and the man who was behind it is still roaming free. He's conducting his business operations. The business is thriving. He's threatening people. He's running his real estate racket from there. He's also expanding his other operations, which are actually funding his global crime syndicate. So I think when the US President Barack Obama comes to New Delhi on the 26th of January, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has to tell him very, very frankly that, listen, enough is enough. We need to sit together. We need to work out on a joint strategy and ensure that fugitives like Dawood Ibrahim are brought to justice.
And let's also listen into the excerpts of the tapes that this independent website is talking about, where you can hear Dawood Ibrahim warning his aides and business associate. Times Now does not vouch for the authenticity of these recordings.
मैं वही इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए तुमको फोन करता हूँ जिसमें मेरा इंटरेस्ट होता है, और वो इंटरेस्ट के अंदर अगर तुमने गलत बयानी कर दी तो उसके अंदर मेरे को उसमें फिर इग्नोर करने वाली बात नहीं होती, समझ में। जब मैं तुमको धड़ल्ले से लोगों के सामने ऑन करता हूँ कि यासिर पे कोई बात नहीं आनी चाहिए, यासिर हमारा है, मेरे को फरहान ने हाजी मजीद के सामने बोला, भाई आपने यासिर को बहुत सपोर्ट किया। मैं बोला उसकी वजह है मेरे पास, उसके बाप से मेरे इतने साल से रिलेशन है।
Well, that's the taped conversation that the independent news website claims is Dawood Ibrahim's voice. As more proof emerges that India's enemy number one is hiding in Pakistan, India is now seeking answers from Nawaz Sharif, saying that Pakistan must clarify their stand on this new report.
दाऊद का जहां तक प्रश्न है वो मोस्ट वांटेड लोगों में से है, इसके संबंध में कि भारत ने भी पाकिस्तान से कहा है कि उसे हवाले किया जाना चाहिए और प्रतीक्षा कीजिए।
About the fresh evidence, I have already told that evidences were always there and everybody knows where Dawood is. He's based in Karachi. It's already a stated position which government of India has taken, and the demand of the government of India is always known, and already Pakistan has been under pressure that he should be handed over.